So I had to be ready. So as soon as I got up on her, she was running, and I was just hanging on for my dear life. So
That's funny. It seemed like that was such a long way over
yeah.
there, but it's really not that far.
But if
How
you think
far was
about a parent and your child,
Oh.
especially like Robin's kids, right?
Right.
You know, and her turning them loose for that distance, that's a long ways.
Right.
It's a long, like, how long was it?
It's probably 2 miles.
Yeah.
A long Just send your kid, be like, I'll see you before dark.
2 miles in a questionable neighborhood.
Yeah,
Right.
don't get hit by a drunk driver
Yeah.
on your way.
If you see a car, get off the road.
I mean, it was a dirt road, you know.
Yeah.
It was.
So there wasn't a ton of traffic.
No, but
And there was only like, I mean, really, if you think about it, between our house and your house, there was only like 2 other houses.
There weren't many.
There were
Yeah,
three. There were 3, I
Mhm.
think. Junior Jackson's house and that one next to him.
In the Griffin place.
That kid Chris lived, and yeah, the Griffin place, and then there was one on the other side of the road, right there by Junior's house.
Yeah.
Did you
Different-
drive through the Griffin place, or did you go on the road? Like,
I remember going on the road. I remember
really?
going all the way around it.
straight
So
on the road.
yeah.
and that little road doesn't even exist. They kind of took it out.
Really?
used to-
No, I mean it was gone even when I was farming that Griffin place. We blocked it off.
Yeah.
But it was. I remember just it kind of zigzagged around that through there.
Well,
So
yeah. And then so Robin, what do you remember? What's like the first memory of that you have of me coming around and in the family doing the things?
Well, I mean, probably, and I don't know if it's actual memories or just, because of the pictures, but I do remember playing in the front yard. I do remember riding Sugar, and I remember y'all trying to get me to play football, and I did not cooperate how I was supposed to. And so, because I was scared of the ball.
Yeah.
And so, I remember, playing outside with y'all and when y'all were doing stuff that I felt not